Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheet. So the example we have here is just cars, and we want to make a drop-down list for the colors of the cars. So instead of having to write them in one by one, we're going to make a drop-down list here. So we take out that information, we highlight the size of our drop-down list, go to data validation, here we go, a list of items, and here you enter the items you want, the list you want, separated by a comma. So let's say we want white, black, red, yellow, blue, green. Save that, and now we have a drop-down list of those inputs that we chose ourselves, and we don't have to write the color every single time we add another card to the list. So that's the video today. I hope you liked it. Until next time, I'll talk to you later.